Hello, I wanted to do a quick little tutorial because I've been struggling with using my Wacom Cintiq with Unreal Engine, and I just wanted to go over some of the settings in case other people are struggling with the same little issue. One of the things that I noticed was when I was trying to use my middle mouse button to pan around in Unreal Engine, it wouldn't work. It would work when I was using my mouse, so if I grab my mouse and use the mouse for middle mouse button, it works no problem. But if I wanted to use my tablet, even though I'd gone and customized a separate tab for Unreal Engine and mapped the middle mouse button to one of my pen buttons, it still wouldn't work. And the secret little setting is under Calibrate, I have to turn off Use Windows Ink. If I go back to the Unreal Engine, now it's working. I was also able to fix the inverted middle mouse button pan. If you want to find out how to do that, go up to Edit, Editor Preferences, then scroll down to the Level Editor Viewports, and there is an option here which I've already checked, which is to invert the middle mouse pan. So the default is it's turned off, and then when you're scrubbing, it doesn't quite work the way that it does in Maya, so that was throwing me off a little bit. So again, all I have to do is go to Edit, Editor Preferences, go to the Viewports, and then check the Invert Middle Mouse Button Pan, and then it'll behave like it does in Maya. Hopefully that helps you. If you've got a Wacom Cintiq or tablet and you're struggling, just again remember to head over to those settings. Make sure that in the pen you make a custom settings for your Unreal Engine, map your middle mouse button here, and then go to Calibrate and uncheck Use Windows Ink. I hope that helps. Take it easy.